New NotebookLM update is insane. NotebookLM just dropped something wild, quizzes, flashcards, and now it tells you exactly what to study next. This is the AI study tool that just got a massive upgrade. Today I'm breaking down every new feature so you can use it right now. Let's go. Let's talk about NotebookLM, because if you've been sleeping on this tool, this update is your wake-up call. Here's the deal. NotebookLM has always been one of the most underrated AI tools out there. You upload your documents, your notes, your PDFs, and it becomes basically a genius assistant that knows everything inside those files. The new update just took things to a whole new level. They didn't just tweak it, they rebuilt the learning experience from the ground up. And if you run a business, manage a team, or you're trying to actually retain knowledge instead of just consuming it, this matters a lot. Let me break it down. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian reads every single comment, so drop something below and let him know what you think of this one. Here's what changed. Before, NotebookLM could generate quizzes and flashcards from your source material. That was already cool. Now, after you finish a set, something new happens. You get a summary, not just a score, a full summary of the topics you just covered, broken down clearly so you can see what you actually went through. And this is the part that's kind of a game changer, it gives you suggestions on what to study next. So it's not just testing you, it's guiding you. It's acting like a tutor that watches how you do and then tells you, hey, here's what you should focus on. That's a big deal, because most people study the wrong stuff. They spend time going over things they already know and skip the gaps. NotebookLM is now trying to fix that. Here's the other piece of this update that I want to highlight. There's a new regenerate tool. What does it do? If there are specific topics you want more practice on, you can regenerate the quiz or flashcard set focused on just those topics. So let's say you're going through a set of flashcards about AI automation. You nail most of it, but there's one section on prompt engineering that you keep getting wrong. Instead of going through the whole set again, you hit regenerate, tell it to focus on prompt engineering, and it builds you a brand new set just on that. That's targeted practice. That's how you actually learn things. Not by repeating everything, but by drilling down into your weak spots. This is honestly how top performers train. They don't practice everything. They identify the gap and they hammer that specific gap until it's gone. And now NotebookLM does that for you automatically. Because I don't just want to talk about features. I want to show you how this can actually help you build something real. So let's use the AI Profit Boardroom as an example. The AI Profit Boardroom is our premium community, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours using AI automation. And I'll tell you more about that in a second. Here's the thing. New members join, they need to get up to speed fast. There's a lot to learn about AI tools, automation workflows, prompt engineering, and how to apply all of this to a real business. Here's what you could do with NotebookLM. You take all your onboarding material, SOPs, training docs, video transcripts, frameworks, and you upload them into NotebookLM. Then you use the quiz and flashcard feature to create a self-study system for new members. That's AI automation working for your business. And that's exactly the kind of system we help you build inside the AI Profit Boardroom, where we've got hundreds of members already doing this exact kind of thing. If you want to learn how to automate your business with AI tools like NotebookLM, the AI Profit Boardroom is the place. We go deep on tools, workflows, and real implementation. Not just theory, actual systems that work. Check the link in the description. Here's a prompt you could use. Generate a set of 10 flashcards based on the key AI automation concepts in this document. Some practical definitions, real use cases, and step-by-step processes a new member would need to understand in their first week. Now, the flashcards. After the set, use the new summary feature to see which areas need more reinforcement, and hit regenerate and drill into those specific topics. What you've just built in about 10 minutes is a custom training system for your team or your community, powered by your own content. No extra tools, no extra cost. That's the kind of thing that used to take weeks to build manually. Most business owners read stuff. They consume content. Watch videos, read articles, go through courses. Do they actually retain it? Probably not. And that's the real problem. It's not access to information. There's more information available right now than any human could ever process. The problem is retention, application, actually using what you learn. NotebookLM's new quiz and flashcard system is directly solving that problem. And here's an open loop for you, because we're going to come back to this. There are more ways to use this tool for your business than just studying. We'll get into that. Let's go deeper. You've got a team. Maybe it's a small team, 3, 5, 10 people, and you need everyone on the same page with how you use AI tools inside your business. Here's what you do. You create a NotebookLM notebook specifically for your internal AI training. You upload everything, your SOPs, your AI prompt library, your workflow docs, your Loom video transcripts, and you use it as a training hub. New hires go through it. They take the quizzes. The summary tells them what they understood and what needs more work. They use regenerate to drill specific areas. And the best part? You're not the one doing the training anymore. The system does it. You built it once, and it runs. Okay, so I want to go back to the summary feature because I think people are going to underestimate this. After every quiz or flashcard set, you now get a breakdown of the topics covered. This is not just a nice to have. This is actually really powerful when you think about it. Here's why. Most tools just give you a score. You got 7 out of 10. Cool. What does that actually tell you? Not much. You don't know what you got wrong, what topic it was in, or what to do next. The summary changes that. Maps out what you covered so you have a clear picture of the knowledge landscape. You can see, okay, I went through prompt engineering, AI workflows, and tool setup today. And then the suggestions tell you what's next. Turn studying into a roadmap, not just a random exercise. When you combine that with the regenerate tool, where you can go deeper into specific topics, you've got a complete learning loop. Hover, test, review, drill, repeat. That's a system. Systems beat willpower every time. Here's another use case, and this one's sneaky good. You've got a big client call coming up. They sent you a long brief. There's a pile of research you need to know before the meeting. Upload it all to NotebookLM. Generate a quiz on it through the flashcards. The time you're on the call, you've actually processed the material, not just skimmed it. You show up sharper. You ask better questions. You catch things other people miss. That's a competitive edge. And it takes maybe 20 minutes of prep instead of 2 hours. Or let's say you're running a discovery call for someone interested in the AI profit boardroom. You've got talking points, case studies, objection handling frameworks. Upload all of that into NotebookLM. Quiz yourself on it before the call. Use regenerate to drill the parts you're fuzzy on. You show up confident. You know your material cold. That's how you close more conversations. I want to zoom out for a second because there's something important happening here. NotebookLM is not just a study tool. It's becoming an AI brain you can build around your own content. Think about what it can hold. Documents, research, your training material, your SOPs, your client notes, your product information. And now, with this update, it doesn't just store that stuff. It actively helps people learn it, tests them, guides them, personalizes the experience based on what they need more work on. That is an incredibly powerful thing for a business. We're moving away from the era of just dumping information into a folder and hoping people read it. You can turn your content into an interactive learning system automatically. Here's a prompt you can use right now inside NotebookLM to get the most out of this new quiz feature. Based on all the sources in this notebook, generate a 15-question quiz that tests understanding of AI automation workflows. Include a mix of multiple choice and short answer questions. Focus on practical application, not just definitions. Run that through the quiz. Check the summary after. See what topics it covered. Use regenerate with this. Regenerate the quiz, but focus specifically on the topic you struggled with. Make the questions harder and more scenario-based. Now you're using AI to build a personalized learning loop, tailored to exactly what you need to get better at. That's not just studying. That's deliberate practice, powered by AI. So let's recap what just dropped in NotebookLM. Quizzes and flashcards now give you a full topic summary after every set. You can see exactly what you covered and what to focus on next. The new regenerate tool lets you drill specific topics, so you're not wasting time on stuff you already know. And the whole system is built to help you actually retain and apply what you learn, not just consume it. This is a big upgrade. And if you upload your own content, your SOPs, your training docs, your research, you can turn NotebookLM into a custom learning system for your business or your team. If you want to learn how to use AI tools like NotebookLM to automate your training, onboard your team faster, and build smarter systems inside your business, that's exactly what we do inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Real tools, real workflows, real implementation. Link is in the description. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free AI community. Link is in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 45,000 members who are crushing it with AI.